Hedera HBAR is owned by CMCC Global. This right here has Hedera HBAR in their portfolio, and Cosmos, Ethereum, QTUM, Solana. We're going to take a look at this CMC Global and how it's connected to the Winklevoss twins that basically own the Kraken exchange, that invested in Bitcoin super early, that had connections to Facebook at a very early time. They are connected to the CMCC Global digital fund that has Hedera HBAR literally in their portfolio. So today is absolutely huge, and HBAR is up almost 10% as I'm recording this video. So I'm hyped. You should be hyped as well watching this video. So absolutely destroy the like button down below as always, and subscribe to this channel if you have not yet already. We're almost at 200,000 followers on TikTok, and we're just getting started. Now, before we go into more detail about this digital fund and how they hold HBAR and some other information that's pretty interesting, I want you to pay attention to the HBAR price, because we have done a higher low 9 times in a row. Yes, literally from our bottom back in June when we started on this run up. We did a 1 time, 2 times higher low, 3 times, 4 times, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is looking extremely bullish. Now, I personally believe it can keep going up and up and up without stopping. But if it does come down to, let's say, 33 cents again, and then goes up again, you should not be concerned, because that's exactly the pattern that it's been doing for months now. It goes up and then comes down. It goes up and comes down. So now we're up. We could come back down. But why should you not care? Because this Winklevoss backed cryptocurrency fund, CMCC Global, is based in Hong Kong, and they have a lot of money. They're targeting over $300 million to raise additionally to what they already have. So what do they have? For example, they invested $1 million back in Solana in 2018. And just to put that in perspective, Solana back in 2018 was less than 50 cents probably, because when it went public in 2020 right here on CoinMarketCap, it was already less than $1, and it's done almost a 200x since then, which is incredible. So imagine that $1 million did at least a 200x, and that is their whole focus, is to invest in the future of cryptocurrencies. And they truly believe that QTUM, Hedera HBAR, Cosmos, Ethereum, Solana, Decentraland, and AirSwap, for example, are some ones that you should look out for as well. And absolutely destroy the like button again for this bullish HBAR pattern. Like, this is really interesting. And again, do not be concerned if we do come back down. Why? Because we're heading towards 2 billion transactions. And it feels just like yesterday that we crossed 1 billion. And then we crossed Ethereum. Yes, first we hit 1 billion transactions. And then in a month or two, we already surpassed Ethereum. And now Ethereum's only at 1.33 billion transactions, and Hedera HBAR is at 1.78 billion. So just a couple months ago, we overtook Ethereum, but now we're already way ahead of Ethereum. And Hedera HBAR is literally owned and operated and governed by the top corporations and top nonprofits, and we're eventually going to come after Bitcoin as well. Yes, on this website, the Coin Perspective, I'll leave a link to it down below. We would reach $23 if the HBAR was fully out. Like, if all 50 billion HBARs was completely out, if we reach the same market cap that Bitcoin is at right now, we would get a $23 HBAR. Now, this is a little bit different from the market cap of .com rating, because this does not take into consideration the circulating supply. So we all know that HBAR is going to be released onto the market in the next couple of years considerably, and I welcome that. I want full decentralization and autonomy to be achieved. But until then, you can expect for dilution to happen just a little bit. But the network growth is outpacing dilution, just like we spoke about with these transactions, almost 2 billion transactions. And again, if this is your first time hearing about the fact that your HBAR is part of this digital fund, this huge digital fund in Hong Kong, yes, the Chinese are invested in HBAR as well. I love it. I absolutely love it. I know Hong Kong somewhat considers themselves as a separate country, but Hedera HBAR is literally going to be all around the world. And so far, we don't have anything in China yet, like nothing in China. So you never know, that could be coming right here in China pretty soon. I'm excited. But yeah, destroy the like button if this is your first time hearing about this. Take a look into QTUM. Take a look into QTUM right here. In my opinion, I think it could be a hidden gem. And yeah, that is basically what you should look into. But destroy the like button, subscribe, and I will see you all very soon. Again, HBAR is holding very, very strong. Look at this chart. So do not worry if you see volatility, because this whole year has been volatile for HBAR. But one thing I want you to keep in the back of your mind is that this is literally the first ever bull run for HBAR. So we are going to be in price discovery mode like never seen before. And that is not an over exaggeration, because this is literally the first ever bull run for HBAR. So we could achieve the unexpected, the unimaginable. Just wait till CBDC catalysts come to fruition and more governing council members are added. And the one use case, we spoke about this, overnight with one use case, this network could grow 10x. Literally, overnight. So from 2-3 million transactions that we're doing right now, we could hit 20-30 million transactions overnight. So that's incredible. And just yesterday, we crossed 500,000 accounts. I'm excited. You should be excited. And I love you all. I will see you very soon. Until next time, Mr. Mufleh, out.